Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to connect Figma to Lovable. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to connect Figma to Lovable using Builder.io's native integration, allowing you to export designs directly and turn them into a full-stack app without coding. Start by installing and opening the Builder.io plugin in Figma, which you can find in the Figma plugins menu. Navigate to your design, select the area you want to export, and choose between easy or precise mode. Map components and define the rows, then export your design to builder.io for further editing. Once the export is complete, open your project in Lovable to start iterating. Use prompts to refine your design, preview changes, and secure everything aligns with your goals while maintaining pixel perfect accuracy. If your project needs backend functionality, connect Lovable to Subface or other supported platforms via the Subface menu. Finally, test and deploy your project, gather feedback, and continue refining to create a polished, fully functional app. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.